Kilo Alpha, this is 5-5, message.
Drop, you need to push round. Go round the back of these tents. Get to the bottom of the hill, start working up at them.
How's it looking? Blue's chasing up the arm.
Next one.
Yeah, we'll cover up there, mate. Down here a little bit. They're over there as well.
Yeah, I see.
Getting some sort of ground. Here, this little lip here. Move, 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 move! Fuck. Get down. Back in. Right, keep peeling! Keep peeling! Right, Liam, move! We'll try and open the gaps up a bit so we can get out of here. Right, go. Move in!
Don't come out, do not come out, shots, do not come out. Why is that, Dave? Blocking the entrance. Yeah, roger that. Mikey, do you copy that?
Yeah, roger. Yeah, let's get these guys debussed and moving on foot.
Minor debuss now, minor debuss.
Right, guys, debussed, moving on foot. We've got a car blocking the entrance. Right.
I'm on your left shoulder.
Pull back.
Hey, Roger. We're friendly, so.
Let's go get the dampers right front. Window! Jim! Yeah. Ads. Where is he? Jim!
Guys, watch your fire now. They can press that door now, actually.
Yeah. We moving right, those bins.
Changing mag.
Alright! No, that's over there, yeah?
Back in.
This cobalt over there. Where? Over there.
Huh? No, no. There's so much cover to get, really. What those bins like, I think.
Ready to move?
Yeah, I'm good. Guys, ready? 5-5.
Moving across.
Move in.
Oh, entrance here, mate.
Top door covered. One in the door.
Top of all.
Right, guys, one taking cover, left hand side of that door. Top door, left hand side. Huh? Try to bug out there, please.
Smallsy.
Yeah.
In front of me, mate, there's a gap in the wall. I think it's probably too short to get to it. That's it. Yeah.
Right.
Down. Fucking a bit tight there.
Fuck. Smoke. I reckon. Oh. If we can get up to that, at least we can have a check in that room.
Right, move in. Ready?
Go. Move it. Hit. Fucking hell, mate. Who's hit over there?
Liam.
Right.
You come back, Chris.
Press and loop. Just want to fire on that door. Yeah. 3, 2. Right. Go!
Take down, small, right.
Jump. Get yours down, guys. Every now and again, try and put some fire on that, if you can. You can do like that on yourself, Phil.
It's all over, mate.
I know.
Move there!
Come in!
Right, car in.
Roger. Was it?
Run down the end. The fuck's that dude from down there?
Make it look friendly.
Friendly! Friendly! Friendly!
Keep on that door.
Friendly!
One door here.
Right, I've got a door opposite you just closed.
Roger.
And 10 meters down, left hand side. You're right in the dark, right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like that. I'll pop out the strap too. Right. As soon as you start moving, I'll pop out and 3, 2, 1. You good? Right. What have you got now? Yeah. So I might dash this through there.
We're going out, we've got hostages.
We've got them both?
Yeah.
Right, James, we're going out. We've got the hostages, both of them.
Quick!
Yep.
Go, go, go.
Make sure don't fucking chase us up. Go, 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 go.
Keep going, keep going.
Go, go, go!
Keep going.
Run!
We've got it covered.
Right, we're carrying up.
Guys, if you came in a snack, get back to the There's more space in the other ones. Go, go, go. We can do one more at the back. You move, guys.
One more on the bottom.
Woo!
Right, just look up next to you, mate.
Yeah, all tight squeeze, but get your asses in.
Yeah, this is cool now.
2 more, get another one in. Get another one in here, guys.
Got one more in there? One more. Right, one.
Get 2 more. Fucking one loses his feet down if I get this. So we've got a guy in on the floor here.
One more, guys. Oh, leave it then.
Shut the door, let's go.